A day in my life as a travel agency owner. Good morning, guys! So today we're on our way to our office. Yan ang aming napakagandang office located in DV Mall Imo. So today, guys, maaga kaming pumasok kasi ang dami naming pending, ang daming meetings, ang daming nakaschedules na for arrangement ng mga clients. So today will be a long day, but normally our office is open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. lang. And whenever nasa office kami, talagang jam-packed yung meeting with the team and everyone. Kaya sometimes umuwi kami 8 p.m. na, which is yung closing na rin ng mall. If you're planning to book with us, you can visit us here. You can also contact us on our Facebook page para online transaction na lang. And normally pag nag-meeting din kami, ganyan yung ginagawa namin, guys, para yung presentation, isahan na lang. That's our team. And of course, may pa-OOTD check pa si Madam. Gusto mo yon? Pero actually, guys, sa sobrang dami namin ginawa, ang bilis matapos ng araw. It's already 8 p.m. Nagpatay na nga ako ng ilaw at aalis na kami. Nakapamili pa kami ng mga pet supplies kasi katabi namin ay pet supplies lang. So yeah, if you're planning to travel this 2025, please message us. Yun lang.